Ali started driving from town X towards town Y at 0840, 8:40 in the morning, at an average speed of 70 kilometers per hour. Ben started driving from town X towards town Y at 10:10 a.m. in the morning, at an average speed of 100 km per hour. At what time did Ben pass Ali on the road? 1/10 hours after passing Ali, Ben reached town Y. At what time did Ali reach town Y? So again, in this question, we will draw the distance line from town X to Y. Okay, and we are starting at 8:40 for Ali. Okay, Ali starts first. Alright, and then Ben starts later. So we will need to find out what kind of head start is Ali getting. Okay, because Ali is starting at least an hour earlier as compared to Ben. Okay, so he must have moved across, okay, a certain distance, a certain head start distance. Okay, and Ben actually needed to catch up. Okay, in order to pass, for Ben to pass Ali on the road. So first step, we'll try and find, okay, what is the head start time, the duration of time that Ali has. Okay, so we start 8:40. Okay, we'll go to 9:40. That's an hour. 1H. Okay, and then we can immediately go to 10:10, or you want to go 10 o'clock, that's fine as well. 20 plus another 10, that's 30 minutes, which is half an hour. Okay, so this is the total time that Ali has in terms of head start. Alright, so that's 1 hour plus half an hour. That will be 1.5 hours. Alright, now, so Ali moves at 70 kilometers per hour for 1.5 hours. So let's see what's Ali's head start distance. Ali's head start distance. Again, we use DST to help us out. Okay, we have the distance at the top, speed and time. Okay, distance is speed times time. So Ali is moving at 70 km per hour and 1.5 hours. Okay, so we times this, we'll get 105 kilometers. Now, so let's draw this straight line, because this is where Ali is moving for a head start. Ali is here now. Okay, Ali is here now. He is at 105 kilometers away, and this is a timing of 10:10. Okay, and this is also when Ben will start his journey. Okay, so he will start his journey and he will try to pass. He'll try to catch up with Ali. Alright, so let's see how to actually solve this question. So there is a distance that Ben needs to catch up, which is 105 kilometers. Okay, and he's starting later. He needs to speed up, and indeed he is faster by 30 kilometers for every hour. Okay, so the distance, alright, that Ben catches up in 1 hour, will be the difference in their speed, right? Because for every hour, Ben is moving 100. Ali only 70. So we do a subtraction. 100 kilometers minus 70 kilometers, and that would be 30 kilometers. So for every hour, Ben is able to catch up 30 km, and he needs to catch up 105 km. Alright, so let's see what's the time taken to catch up. Time taken to catch up. 105 divided by 30. Okay, you're going to get a fraction. You're going to get 3.5 hours. So that's 3 hours and 30 minutes from the time that Ben starts. So let's see what's the time that Ben actually passes Ali. Okay, so Ben starts at 10:10. 10:10. Okay, so you add 3 hours. That would be 13:10. 1:10 p.m. And then add another 30 minutes. that will be 1340. Okay, so we'll have here 1340. Final answer for part A. Done. Okay, now 2 1/10 hours after passing Ali, Ben reached town Y. At what time did Ali reach town Y? So let's see what is the total time taken by Ben to travel from these two towns. Ben, total time. That'd be 3.5 hours plus 2 and 1/10. Okay, you will get a fraction 5 wholes and 3/5 hours. Okay, and then with this we can find the total distance from the two towns. Okay, what are the two towns? X to Y. X to Y. That would be speed times time. Okay, so Ben's speed is 100 km per hour times 5 wholes and 3/5 hours. Alright, so we do multiplication. You're going to get 560 kilometers. 560 kilometers. Alright, and then let's try and answer the question. At what time did Ali reach town Y? Ali started at 8:40. Okay, his speed is 70. Okay, so now I know the total distance is 560, right? And Ali's speed I know is 70. Okay, so let's see what's the total time taken by Ali. Ali, total time. Distance divide speed. Okay, so when we do this, you get 8 hours. Okay, pretty clear cut. When Ali started 8:40. Okay, started 8:40, so we add 8 hours. Okay, add 8 hours to this, so you get 16:40 or 4:40 p.m. Final answer for this question. Okay, pretty interesting. Okay, and for speed question, is very, very important to understand the various types of speed question. This is one of the type where there's a head start distance. Number one, there's a head start distance, and number two, there's a catch up concept. Okay, all the best.